Welcome to Bohol, Philippines, where nature looks straight out of a dream. Let's visit the tarsiers, one of the world's tiniest and most adorable primates. Hop on a moped and cruise through endless greenery-lined roads. Let's leap into a jungle waterfall because adventure lives here. Then dive deep and swim alongside gentle giants in open waters. Let's cap it off with local barbecue, smoky, savory, and unforgettable. This is Bohol, raw, wild, and full of wonder. One of the most epic islands we've explored in the Philippines. Let's go.